Comment down correct answer before showing. 1. Bharat Drone Shakti Exhibition 2023 was inaugurated in which state? UT. Option A Rajasthan, Option B Punjab, Option C Uttar Pradesh, Option D Assam. Correct answer C Uttar Pradesh. Notes: Bharat Drone Shakti Exhibition 2023 was inaugurated recently by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh at the Hindan Air Base in Uttar Pradesh. It has been jointly organized by Indian Air Force (IAP) and Drone Federation of India (DFI). The formal induction of the first C-295 MW transport aircraft into the IAP was also organized. Comment down correct answer before showing. 2. Which union ministry issued the Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Rules 2023? Option A Ministry of Home Affairs, Option B Ministry of Finance, Option C Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Option D Ministry of External Affairs. Correct answer Ministry of Home Affairs. Notes: Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Rules 2023 was issued recently by the Ministry of Home Affairs. As per the revised guidelines, NGOs were mandated with FCRA license to submit details of movable and immovable assets created out of foreign contributions. Comment down correct answer before showing. 3. Which union ministry is associated with which GOBARdhan scheme? Option A Ministry of Jal Shakti, Option B Ministry of MSME, Option C Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Option D Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Correct answer Ministry of Jal Shakti. Notes: the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation of Ministry of Jal Shakti has introduced the Unified Registration Portal for GOBARdhan to simplify the process of registering compressed biogas (CBG) and biogas facilities across the country. Currently, there are more than 1,163 biogas plants and 426 CBG plants registered on the portal, making them eligible for support through the Market Development Assistance (MDA) scheme offered by the Department of Fertilizers. Comment down correct answer before showing. 4. Jharia Master Plan, which was seen in the news, is associated with which union ministry? Option A Ministry of Coal, Option B Ministry of MSME, Option C Ministry of Steel, Option D Ministry of Jal Shakti. Correct answer Ministry of Coal. Notes: approved by the government in 2009. The purpose of the Jharia Master Plan jump is to deal with fire, subsidence, and rehabilitation. The master plan identified 595 sites that needed to be rehabilitated, covering an area of 25.70 square kilometers. A new committee set up by the Ministry of Coal in 2022 to review this master plan has formulated an action plan. Coal Ministry's efforts bring down surface fire identified from 77 to 27 sites. Comment down correct answer before showing. 5. Which country's women's cricket team has clinched a gold medal at the Asian Games 2023? Option A Bangladesh, Option B Pakistan, Option C India, Option D Sri Lanka. Correct answer C India. Notes: the Indian women's cricket team, led by Captain Harmanpreet Kaur, recently clinched the gold medal at the Asian Games 2023 in Hangzhou, China. In their debut appearance at the Asian Games, the Indian women's cricket team secured a gold medal, defeating Sri Lanka.